Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. This is Muhammad Kamal Hussain, lecturer, Department of Mathematics, Scholars School and College, Dhanmoni, Dhaka. My dear students, I hope with the grace of Almighty Allah, you all are well, and you are also taking the preparations for your upcoming math assessment. My dear students, inshallah today I will try to support you to take the strong preparations for upcoming exam. So my dear students, please let me know sound quality, board diagram, light, is everything okay? Can we start our class formally? Dear students, in the comment section you can give your attendance, and also you can invite your friends to connect with us. Within a short time we are going to start our class. So please let me know everything is okay or not. Sound is low. Dear students, everything is okay? Sound is okay? Hello? Sir, someone is saying sir all clear, and someone is writing sound is low. Everything is okay? Please, there are now 90 plus students connected with us. Okay, sound, I think sound is little bit low. Okay, dear students, I think please know now sound. Please let me know now sound is okay. Hello. Please let me know now sound is okay. Yes, now everything is okay. So my dear students, I hope all you are busy with your math preparations. Inshallah, you will try to support yourself. So dear students, inshallah today we will practice some creative questions from arithmetic side and algebraic side. So first we are going to start from arithmetic side. This question is related with here a bamboo stick is colored. I think upper line is not visible here. A bamboo stick is colored 1/5 meter by black and 3/5 hole and 3/5 meter by red 8 7/10 meter 8 7/10 meter by yellow and 1/5 meter 1/5 meter by green. So this is our questions. Now first question number A, we can write here the first question A. Find the 1/3 portions of yellow color. Find the 1 third portion of yellow color. And question number B, how many meters smaller is the sum of the length of red and green than yellow. And this is the second question. I think right side is okay. And question number C, and finally question number C, if it cost taka 100 to paint each meter of bamboo stick, what will be the total cost? What will be the total cost? So this is your creative questions. My dear students, please in the comment section you can write how many students can do this question. Please in the comments you can write how many students can do this question A, B and C. So dear students, note down this question and also you can write the comments how many students can do. Amanto, no, thank you sir. Someone is doing, sir. Yes. Me, thank you so much. Okay, please start doing question number 8. In the comments you can write what is the answer of question A. Thank you. There are now 120 students connected with us in the live. So please, my dear students, I cannot do A and B and you can do only C. Okay, thank you. I will show all maths here. Please start, Ahmed. Thank you. Ahmed, okay. Dear students, please start doing the maths. My dear students, yes, you are writing continuously that you can do the math. Thank you so much. Okay, now we are going to start solution A. Solution. This is A. Find the 1/3 portions of yellow color of the bamboo stick. Yellow color is equal to, what is yellow color? This is the yellow color is 8 whole 7 by 10 meter is equal to 8 multiply 10 plus 7 divided by 10 meter is equal to 80 plus 7, 87 by 10 meter. So now 1/3 portion of yellow color equals to 1/3 of 87 divided by 10. 1/3 of 87 divided by 10. Now you can divide by 3. 3 2 is 6, 3 9. This one will be 1/3 color of atom. 1/3 color of attometer. So this one will be now meter. And 29 1 times divided by 10 meter is equal to, dividing by 10 you will get a 2 whole number, 9 divided by 10 meter. and this is our answer. So my dear students, now you can review your answer with me. Please review your answer with me. Is it okay or not? Please review your answer with me. Yes, everything is okay or not? Sir, skin isn't clear. হ্যাঁ, আমার এখান থেকে তো ক্লিয়ার দেখাচ্ছে। Someone is doing skin isn't clear. একটু কমেন্টস করবে। Board diagram, is it okay? My dear students, please do comments. Board diagram, writing, and internet problem. Is there any internet problem or everything is okay? Please let me know. Yes, today maths is very clear. Thank you. Absolutely right, Tahmid. Yes, you both answer is right. That is the 1/3 portions mean 1/3 of 87/10. That is the 2 whole 3/9. 29 divided by 10, you will get 2 whole 9/10 meter. So now, my dear students, please start question number B. In the comment section, you can write how many students can do B. How many meters is smaller than the sum of the length of red and green than yellow? The sum of red and green together is smaller than yellow. Now identify how many meters is smaller. Together red and green together is smaller than yellow. So first step, find the sum of red and green portions. Then find the difference from yellow. Yellow is greater than sum of the red and green. So please do question number B. Yes, we are going to start here question number B. Okay, my dear students, question number B we can write here. Sum of the length of red and green. Sum of the length of red and green equals to, what is the red? Red is 5 whole and 3/5 meter plus green. What is the green? 1/5 meter. 1/5 meter. So now identify here. This is now 5 5 is 25. This is the 28 divided by 5 plus 1/5 meter. Now take the LCM here. 5 at 28 plus 1. This is now meter. So I think you have completed this one. So now this is now 29/5 meter. Sum will be 29/5 meters. So now we will do subtract. The question is how many meter is smaller than, that is this result is smaller than yellow. This is smaller than yellow. So now we will find the sum of the length. This sum is smaller than yellow is the sum of the sum of the length of red and green. Green will be smaller than yellow is equal. So yellow is greater than this sum. So yellow portions is 8 whole 7/10 minus 29/5 meter. So now my dear students, do calculation and then find the answer. Now please do calculation and find the answer. Dear students, please each and every one you can do the calculation. and then find the answer. So dear students, please do first convert this mixed fraction into improper fractions, then take their LCM. Write down the answer here. Sir, hi, you are the one who is a pro. Sir, can you explain A again? A is already just 1/3 portions of yellow color. Tasin Sora said, can you explain A again? Baba, already we have done A. A is 1/3 portion. That means yellow color multiply with 1/3. Yellow color multiply with 1/3. Yes, Tahmid, the answer is 2 9 and 9/10 whole. 9 B answer is 2 whole. Yes, absolutely right answer. Tahmid, thank you so much. Yes, maximum student already. Yes, 29/10. Shiropa said, thank you so much. Absolutely right answer. Now convert the mixed fraction into improper fractions. So now this one will be 87. 87 divided by 10 minus 29 divided by 5 meter. So take here LCM. Taking LCM you will get here. So we can do here. Here we can do this portion's calculation. So now the result will be, take the 10 as LCM, LCM 10, 87 minus LCM divided by 5, 2 multiply 29, 29 multiply 2 meter is equals to 87 minus 9 to the 18, 8, then 58, 58 divided by 10 meter. And this is now 58 divided by 10 meter, 8, 9, and then 6, 29 by 10 meter equal to 2 whole 9/10 meter, and this is our answer. So 2 whole 2/9, this is our answer, my dear students. The question number B answer is 2 whole 9/10 meter. So please write in the comments, is it clear to you or not? My dear students, in the comment section you can write, is there any questions? Yes, maximum students already you have find the answer. Thank you so much, dear students. Ridwan, I hope you understood this math properly. Shiropa, convert your answer into mixed fraction to improper fractions. Yes, oh my God, already Jubaida Bina ID থেকে exercise C answer will be 1870. Thank you so much. Absolutely right answer. Thank you Jubaida Bina ID থেকে exercise C answer will be 1870. Thank you so much. Already you have done C. Yes, Muhammad Mustafa ID থেকে also understood sir. Shornaka, thank you so much. Yes, now my dear students, start question number C. Start question number C, please. Just first step, if it costs 100 taka to paint each meter, then bamboo stick, what will be the total cost? First step, you have to find the total length of different color, green, red, yellow, black. First add all color, that means painting portions, colored portions. Then you can identify the total in meter. So each meter cost is 100 taka, then what will be total cost? So please, I think all of you understood this question number B. It's very easy question. Thank you so much. Yes, my dear students, you are writing already. You have done question number A. Tahmi, thank you. My brain stopped working the math exam. No, please try hard. No problems. Very easy question. তোমরা question নিয়ে কেউ কোনো টেনশন করবে না। Almost 4টা question এই তোমাদের common থাকবে. No problems. Just I ensure you that you can answer each and every question. Just give attention in the class. Just we have taken 2 or 3 revision class. So almost question same format question. just only digit will be changed. So no problem, exam নিয়ে কোনো টেনশন নাই, সেম ফরম্যাটের কোশ্চেন হবে, ইনশাআল্লাহ তোমরা আনসার করতে পারবে। Sir, how did you multiply 29 by 2? একজন একটু কোশ্চেন করেছিলেন 29 কে কেন আমরা 2 দিয়ে মাল্টিপ্লাই করব। First LCM divided by 5. Here LCM is 10. LCM divided by 5. The result is 2. This is 2. 2 is multiplied. 2 is multiplied with 29. And 10 and 5, the LCM is 10. Now 5 is divided by LCM is divided by 5. The result is 2. And 2 is multiplied with numerator 29. Now we will do question number C. I hope you understood this one. Okay, dear students, start question number C. Start question number C. Please start question number C. Okay, now we are going to start question number C. First step, the length of colored portions. The length of colored portions, the total length of color portions or the length of color portions. The first, this is the 4 hole 1 by 5 black plus 5 hole 3 by 5 red plus yellow 8 hole 7 by 10, 8 hole 7 by 10, and then green 1 by 5 meter. All are in meter. So now first convert these three mixed fractions into improper fractions. 21 by 5 plus 28 by 5 plus 87 by 10 plus 1 by 5. The answer is in meter. Now LCM of LCM. Find the LCM of 5, 5, 10, 5. 5, 5, 10, 5. Mind here 5, 1, 1, 2, 1. 5 to the 10. The LCM of ether is equals to 10. So in the right side you can find the LCM. LCM of 5, 5, 10, 5 is equals to 10. So 10 divided by 5. This LCM is divided by 5. Answer will be 2. 2 multiply 21. 21 multiply 2 plus 28. 28 multiply 2 plus 87 plus 1 multiply 2. So this is now meter. And now first do multiply. This is now 42 plus 8 to the 16, 6, then 56 plus 87 plus 2 divided by 10. 42, 56, 87, then 180. This is 187 divided by 10. So now this is in meter. The answer is in meter. Now we will find the cost. Now each meter cost is eto taka. Now just find the unitary method. 1 meter cost is eto taka. So eto meter cost will be eto taka. Find the cost. Now 1 meter painting cost 1 meter painting. 1 meter painting cost equals to 100 taka. So what is the total length? 187 divided by 10 meter. Painting cost will be 100 multiply 187 divided by 10 meter. So now just there will be 10 and do multiply 10 multiply 187 taka. The answer will be, this is answer will be Answer 1870 taka. That is the total cost. We can write here answer 1870 taka. This is our total cost. So dear students, please in the comment section write, is it okay to you or not? Yes, Tahmid 1870 টাকা absolutely right answer. Mamtahina Islam ID থেকে বলেছো same answer, absolutely right আম্মু, thank you so much. Yes, maximum student you have done. Shiropa ID থেকে লিখছো sir, okay, thank you so much আম্মু, please give attention. Jubaida Bina ID থেকে বলছে yes sir. Someone said sir explain again please. Okay Ammu, I will discuss again. Yes my dear students, please each and everyone please give your opinion in the comment section. Is it clear to you or not sir? Entrance exams answer, almost you have to answer same format of questions, no difficulty please. This question will be very easy, almost the 4 question will be common, no problem. Tasin Sarwar 180. Yes, thank you so much Ammu. Ekjon ekটু বলেছিল স্যার, repeat again. Okay my dear students, the cost 100 taka for each meter. Each meter means 1 meter. The 1 meter cost 100 taka. What will be total cost? This is the bamboo stick, the one red, black, yellow and green. So 1 meter cost 100 taka. So what will be the total cost? So first doing the add black, red, yellow, green, you will get here total meter. 1 meter cost eto taka, so eto meter cost will be multiplied. That is our answer. I think this is now clear. So now we will discuss another creative questions, my dear students. I hope all of you have understood this math properly. Another creative questions we are going to discuss from arithmetic side. This is the CQ number 2. CQ number 2. 9 4 1 by 3. So dear students, do first. 5 4 2 by 5 and 15 whole 3 by 4 are 3 fractions. So now we will try to question here. I think you have completed this one. Now first question, please dear students, did you complete this one? Please. Okay. First question, divide third fractions by third fraction by second fraction. And question number B, find the HCF of above fractions. Question number C, find the HCF of above fractions. This is another important question. Find the greatest. Find the greatest and the smallest number of, find the greatest and the smallest number of 3 digits. Find the greatest and smallest number of 3 digit which is divisible by the denominators of above fractions. So my dear students, please in the comments you can write how many students can do this math. There are now 125 students connected with us. My dear students, please do comments. Yes, maximum student you are writing, sir. You can do. Nasreen Hassan, thank you. Amantul Noor, thank you so much. Tahmid, absolutely right. Okay, Farhan, Rizwan, yes, I can. Isra Jahan, thank you. Okay, please start. Please, what will be answer of number 8? Please, dear students. Jaki Hossain, ID থেকে বলছো sir, yes, I can. Thank you so much, maximum student. You are writing the positive comments that you can do this math. Thank you so much, my dear students. Sir, I can do A and B but not C. Yes, okay, I will do question number C, no problem. Sir, please discuss the questions pattern of chapter 1. My dear students, already we have done in the last few classes 5 to 6 creative questions. Now still you are asking me the question pattern. This is your question pattern. আমরা যেই কোশ্চেনগুলো তোমাদেরকে প্র্যাকটিস করাচ্ছি এগুলোই হচ্ছে তোমাদের কোশ্চেন প্যাটার্ন। একজন একটু জিজ্ঞেস করছে স্যার অ্যারিথমেটিক সাইড থেকে কেমন কোশ্চেন হবে। দেখো গত 4-5টা ক্লাসে আমি যেই টপিকসগুলো পড়িয়েছিলাম এবং আজকে যেই কোশ্চেনগুলো করাচ্ছি এবং এর আগের ক্লাসে যে ক্রিয়েটিভ কোশ্চেনগুলো করিয়েছিলাম, this is the almost the same question pattern, just only number and digit may be changed, but question pattern almost same, 90% same. Sir, discuss the descending order and ascending order. Okay, thank you. I will discuss here the descending order. In the last class, I have given these types of math as homework. And maximum student, you cannot identify which one is divisor, which one is dividend. So please, in the comment section, please write third fraction is divisor or third fraction is dividend. Is second fraction is divisor or second fraction is dividend. Please, in the comments, please write which fractions is dividend here, which fractions is divisor here. Please mention in the comments. And last class I have given the same format, one math as a homework. Maximum student you have done inversely. Just you cannot identify the dividend and divisor from this sentence. Just you have done the mistake and just you have written dividend and divisor as dividend. So please, first question, identify in between third and second fractions which one is divisor and which one is dividend. Second fractions is divisor. But yes, second fractions is divisor. Sylvia, Tanha, thank you so much. Third fractions is dividend. Thank you so much. Yes, now this concept is clear. Ammo, okay? That's তোমাদের আর yes. Now thank you. Third fractions is dividend. Okay. This is the third fractions is divided. Divide the third fractions. So which one is third fractions? A. The third fraction is 1/5 and 3/4 is dividend. Divided by the second fraction. Second fraction is 5/4, 2/5. So dear students, this is our according to step. This is our calculations. So now convert 63. 15 multiplied 4, 60 plus 3, 63, 4 divided by 5 5 is 25 plus 2, 27 divided by 5. This is now 63/4. This divide converted multiply, then this one will be reciprocal. The 5 will be numerator, 27 will be denominator. So now divided by 3. First step, divided by 3. This is now 3, 9 and 3, 21 times 3. Again divided by 3. Again divided by 3. This is the 3. This is 7. So now in the upper side you see here 7 multiply 5, 4 multiply 3. That is the 35 divided by 12. So now 35 divided by 12, 2 times 24, and that is 1 and 1. So we can write here 2 whole, and that is the 12 equal to, this is our answer. So my dear students, please note down this math. Please discard a, my dear students, please. So please, আমি আসছি 4 এবং 5 থেকে আমি একটু ডিসকাস করব, নো প্রবলেম। Tahmid, thank you so much. Fatiha binte Noor, yes, absolutely right answer. Talha bin Jaman, sir, is those questions of exam? এই question গুলো exam না, this is the same format question you have to answer in exam. Same 100% same question তো হবে না, just digit may be changed, fraction may be changed, but question format will be same. Yes, yes, thank you. Now we will do question number B. I think this is now very clear to you. So now we are going to, I will not do question number B. This is exactly from your academic book. আমি B number question টি করব না, তোমাদের বই থেকে তোমরা করে নিবে, আমি শুধু মেনশন করে দিচ্ছি। B number question টি হচ্ছে এক্সারসাইজ, আমাদের বইয়ের কোশ্চেন আমরা অলমোস্ট এই রকম অনেক কোশ্চেন করি। এক্সারসাইজ 1.5, এক্সারসাইজ 1.5, number 4, number 4C, and the page number 36. এই কোশ্চেনটি আমি করাচ্ছি না, তোমরা সবাই নিজেরা বের করবে। Almost we know how to find the HCF and LCM of the fractions. আমি এখানে आंसर লিখে দিচ্ছি, তোমাদের যারা নিজেরা ট্রাই করবে তোমরা দেখতে পারো आंसर হবে 1/60। আমি এটি করে দেখাচ্ছি না। এক্সারসাইজ 1.5, question number 4C, page number 36. So we all know how to find the HCF and LCM of 2 or more fractions. Just use. Now I will do question number C. একটু বলো তোমরা কমেন্টস করে, C নাম্বার কি তোমরা করতে পারবে? Yes, already maximum student have done. সবাই একটু লিখে রাখো তোমরা যারা বাসায় ট্রাই করবে। এক্সারসাইজ 1.5, question number 4C, page 36. Yes. Wow, already. Thank you so much, Amu. Okay, sir, thank you. No, sir, thank you. Yes. Shiropa said from Shaju sir ID. Yes, 1/60. Thank you, Amu. Yes, this is the right answer. Now we will find the question number C. Another most important question. And most important question, question number C, divisibility. Finding the divisibility. So, dear students, we are going to start here question number C. First step, find the greatest number and smallest number. There are 2-part answer. First of all, you have to find the greatest number. One answer for 2 marks. Smallest number, the second part is also 2 marks. So 2 plus 2, 4 marks. 2-part answer, greatest number and smallest number. The condition is the number should be 3-digit number. The first condition, number should be 3-digit number. So 3-digit number is started from 100 and completed at 999. So the number should be in between 100 to 999. All 3-digit numbers in between them. Second condition, the number should be divisible by the denominator of the fractions. There are 2 conditions. Number should be 3-digit number, should be divisible by the denominator 3, 5 and 4. So now, first step, C, question number C solution. Denominators of the above fractions are denominator of given fractions are 3, 5, 4. Now 3, 4, 3, 5 and 4. Find their LCM. 3, 1, 5, 4. Again 5, 1, 1 and 4. So directly also you can write here 4, 1, 1, 1 and 1. So LCM of 3, 5 and 4 is equal 3 multiply 5 multiply 4 equals to 20. First step complete. First step, find the LCM, or directly you can write the LCM, no problem. It's no essential to find the LCM. Directly you can write the LCM. Okay, start the first condition, the greatest number of 3 digit. The greatest number of 3 digit, the greatest number of 3 digit is equal 999. So now LCM 999 divided by the LCM. This is 1 times 60. This is the 399. 6 times 36. That is now 39. I think last line is okay in diagram. I think we should write here. আমাদের এখানে একটু দেখা যাচ্ছে না, আমরা উপরের কোশ্চেনে একটু ক্যালকুলেশনটি করব। I think B is okay. আমরা একটু উপরে দেখাচ্ছি। Now you see the black one first. Now 60 999 1 times 60, then 399, 6 times 360, and this is the 39. Now write here remainder is 39. So greatest number, so the greatest number will be just subtract the remainder. 999 minus 39. Greatest number will be 999 minus 39. So doing the subtract, there will be 0, 6, 3606 and 9. This is our one answer. The greatest number is 960, which is divisible by 3, 5 and 4. So this is the greatest number of 3 digit which is divisible by the LCMs. My dear students, please write down the comments. Is it clear? Sir, LCM is 60. Yes, sir, LCM is 6. Oh, sorry, I have done mistake. Thank you, Ammu. Yes, LCM is 60. Thank you. The LCM is 60. Already we have done here the 60. So 3 multiply 5 multiply 4 equal to 60. Thank you so much. The LCM is 60. Yes, LCM is 60. Yes, thank you so much, my dear students. You are writing. Yes, LCM is 60. Thank you so much. Okay, now write the first answer. Now we will find the smallest number. The greatest number is complete. Now you will find the smallest number. LCM is 60. Thank you. Thank you, my dear students. Now you will find again the smallest number of 3 digit equals to 100. Similarly, now 60, 100, 1 times 60, that is the 40. So the difference of remainder and difference, the difference of divisor and remainder equal to 60 minus 40 equals to 20. So the smallest number will be the last line. So the smallest number will be final line. Just add 20. So the smallest number will be, so the smallest number, I think, yes, so the smallest number will be 100 plus 20 equals to 120. This is our answer. Now write separately answer, the greatest number, or you can write here answer the greatest number equal 960. The smallest number equals to 120. So this is our answer, the greatest number and the smallest number. My dear students, please do comments. Is it okay? Please, this is one of the most important questions for your upcoming exam. How to find the greatest number and smallest number with condition applied. It's maybe 4-digit number, maybe 3-digit number. It should be divisible by the remainder, divisor should be divisible by the numerator, should be divisible by the given number. So condition applied, but this is most important question, finding the divisibility. That is the greatest number and the smallest number of 3-digit and 4-digit. Yes sir, it's very clear. আমি শুধু এখানে তোমাদেরকে একটা জিনিস বলবো, মিসে ভুল করবে না, খুব ভালো করে খেয়াল করো। In times of greatest number, just remainder will be subtracted. আমি আবার একটু বলছি, যখন আমরা greatest number বের করব, শুধু রিমাইন্ডারটি এখানে সাবট্রাক্ট হবে। খুব ভালো করে খেয়াল করো, in times of greatest number, only remainder will be subtracted. যদি রিমাইন্ডার না থাকে তখন डायरेक्टली এটি आंसर হয়ে যাবে 999, আর যদি রিমাইন্ডার থাকে তাহলে রিমাইন্ডার মাইনাস হবে in times of greatest number. But in times of smallest number এখানে রিমাইন্ডার মাইনাস হবে না, খুব ভালো করে খেয়াল করবে। In times of smallest number remainder will not be subtracted directly. এই যে ডিভাইজার এবং রিমাইন্ডারের যে ডিফারেন্স, হবে, ডিভাইজার 60 রিমাইন্ডার 40, ডিভাইজার এবং রিমাইন্ডারের যে ডিফারেন্স হবে সেই ডিফারেন্সটি অ্যাড হবে উইথ স্মলেস্ট নাম্বার। আমি আবার একটু ক্লিয়ার করি, in times of smallest number you have to add the difference of divisor and remainder with dividend. So dividend is 10, the difference is 20, so smallest number is 120. এখন তুমি যদি টেস্ট করো, তুমি দেখো 120 নাম্বারটি 3 দিয়ে ডিভাইড হবে, 5 দিয়ে ডিভাইড হবে, 4 দিয়ে ডিভাইড হবে। এটি হচ্ছে 3 ডিজিটের স্মলেস্ট নাম্বার। 3 ডিজিটের স্মলেস্ট নাম্বার 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, অনেকগুলো নাম্বার আছে। তারা কিন্তু সবাই এই নাম্বারগুলো দিয়ে ডিভাইড হবে না। Only 120 will be divisible by this number. Similarly, 960 is the greatest number of 3 digit which is divisible by at a times 3, 5 and 4. So 3 digit এর যদি তুমি এখানে 961 ইউজ করো, এই নাম্বারটি এটি দ্বারা ডিভাইড হবে না। Only this is the greatest number of 3 digit which is divisible by these 3 numbers at a time. And this is the smallest number divisible by these 3 numbers at a time. I think the concept is very clear. Sir, maybe 4 years, sir. I think now your concept is very clear. আচ্ছা, তোমরা এখন বলো আমি কোন সাইড থেকে তোমাদের ডিসকাস করব, চ্যাপ্টার 4 আর 5 বলো। তোমরা যদি বলো আমি তাহলে 4 থেকে আমি আরেকটি কোশ্চেন করব। বলো 4 আর 5। হ্যাঁ, তোমাদের 4 এবং 5 আমাদের চেয়ারম্যান স্যার তোমাদের ক্লাস নিয়েছেন। স্যার যেই টপিকসগুলো পড়িয়েছেন অলমোস্ট কোশ্চেন সেম, কোনো চেঞ্জ হবে না। ওকে, ইউ আর রাইটিং স্যার 4 and 5, 4 and 5। ওকে, 1 থেকে আমরা অনেকগুলো কোশ্চেন করেছিলাম বাবা, আমরা 1 থেকে আর করব না, আমরা 4 এবং 5 থেকে। এখন দেখো, অনেক আগে তোমাদেরকে একটা হোমওয়ার্ক দিয়েছিলাম, তোমাদেরকে অনেক আগে দুটো কোশ্চেন একটা হোমওয়ার্ক দিয়েছিলাম পিডিএফ করে। তোমরা অনেকে বলছো স্যার আমরা 1টা অনেকে পারি না। সো আমি 1 নম্বরের কোশ্চেনটা একটু আগে দেখাচ্ছি। চ্যাপ্টার 4 CH4 addition and subtraction, CQ number 3, x equal a square plus 2ab and plus b square. This question given as a PDF in your Facebook group. Y equals to a square minus 2ab and plus b square, and another z equal a plus b whole square minus 4ab. Okay, first question number A. This is the question number A. Determine the value of x plus y. Determine the value of x plus y. B, if a equal 4 and b equal 2, then show that y equals to z. C, simplify x minus y plus z. দেখো তোমরা অনেকেই কিন্তু আমাকে পার্সোনালি অনেকেই আমাকে কল দিয়েছিলে যে স্যার এই ক্রিয়েটিভ কোশ্চেনটা আপনি দিয়েছিলেন, আমরা সি নাম্বার অনেকেই পারি না, এই জন্য আছে সবার জন্য করে দিচ্ছি। তখন তোমরা যেই ফোন দিয়েছিলে তাকে আমি হেল্প করেছিলাম। ওকে, ফার্স্ট সলিউশন, x plus y. So write here first x, a square plus 2ab plus b square, and y equals to here y equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now the question requirement x plus y. So doing add, x plus y is equal to a square plus a square, 2a square plus 2ab minus 2ab, here 0, here 0 plus ab plus b square to b square. So finally we can write the answer is 2a square plus 2b square, and this is our answer A. So this is the first question, x plus y equal to 2a square plus b square. Number B, a equal 4 and b equal 2. A equal 4 and b equal to 2. So now find the a equal to 2, given that a equal 4 and b equal 2. So first find the value of y. So y equal a square minus 2ab plus b square. I think the last line is okay. Yes. place the value here. A equal 4. This is now 4 square minus 2 into 4 into 2 plus 2 square. In value A equal to 2, B equal to 4 and then 2 square. So what will be result here? 4 4 just 16. 4 2 is 8, 8 2 is 8 2 is 16. 16 equals to 16 plus 4, 16 plus 4 plus 16 minus 16 কাটা গেলে আমাদের এখানে হচ্ছে this is now 20 minus 16 equals to 4. So left hand side value is 4. The value of y is 4. Now we will find the value of z. So now again z equals to, what is z? A plus b whole square minus 4ab. What is 4 plus 2 whole square minus 4 into 2? That is the 6 square minus 4 4 just 16, 16 2 is 32. 36 minus 32 equal to 4. So now give attention. The value of y is 4. Value of z equals to 4. So we can write here y equals to z. This is shown. So now our big number question is okay. My dear students, please. Okay, now. Okay, তোমরা একটু দেখে নাও, একটু বলেছিলে স্যার প্লিজ সাইড. Okay, dear students. আচ্ছা, একজন একটু বলছো স্যার একটু অ্যাসেন্ডিং অর্ডার এবং ডিসেন্ডিং অর্ডারটি একটু বলে. আমি একটু লাস্টে বলবো, কোশ্চেনটা শেষ হোক, একটু ডিসেন্ডিং অর্ডার এবং অ্যাসেন্ডিং অর্ডার নিয়ে আমি বলবো. Sir, only students who want to fail in living sir discuss the descending order. আচ্ছা ওকে, আমি একটু ডিসেন্ডিং এবং অ্যাসেন্ডিং অর্ডার তো তোমাদের একেবারে ইজি কনসেপ্ট. ফার্স্ট ইউ হ্যাভ টু ফাইন্ড দ্য এলসিএম. আচ্ছা ওকে, আমি একটু ডিসেন্ডিং এবং অ্যাসেন্ডিং অর্ডার তো তোমাদের একেবারে ইজি কনসেপ্ট. ফার্স্ট ইউ হ্যাভ টু ফাইন্ড দ্য এলসিএম. ওকে, নাও কোশ্চেন নাম্বার সি. প্লিজ ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস, simplify question number C. We have to find here. Question number C. X minus y plus z. Find the value of x. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Then minus y. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Y. Then plus z. Then plus z. Z is now a plus b whole square minus 4ab. The value of x, value of y and value of z. So that is inside the first bracket, so that we use a second bracket. First value of x minus value of y plus value of z. There are also first bracket here, so we used a second bracket. Now do simplification here. I think question number A all of you have done. Now question number A, there is plus, so multiply these all terms by plus. Inside this first bracket, all terms should be multiplied by minus. These all terms should be multiplied by plus. So plus multiply, no change. 2ab plus b square. Here minus plus minus minus a square minus minus plus 2ab plus minus minus b square, and this is now plus, so plus a plus b whole square plus minus a minus 4ab. So now do calculate here. There is now a square b square 2ab, that means 4ab. The plus 2ab, that is the total 4ab plus a plus b whole square minus 4ab. So again we can eliminate 2a 4ab. So remaining is only a plus b whole square, and this is our answer, a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is our answer. I hope you understood this math. So my dear students, please let me know any more comments. If you have any question, আমরা 10 মিনিট সময় নিব. When will class end? So we will take only 10 minutes. Just we will discuss 5 to 10 minutes. একজন একটু বলেছিলেন স্যার কখন ক্লাসটি শেষ করবেন। আমার নিজের কাছেও খুব টায়ার্ড লাগছে রোজার দিন। তোমাদের সাথে যেহেতু আর কোনো ক্লাস নেই, এই জন্য আজকে একটু সময় নিচ্ছি। কারণ তোমরা অনেকেই রিকোয়েস্ট করেছিলে যে 4 এবং 5 থেকে একটু ডিসকাস করার জন্য। এই জন্য আমি তোমাদের 10 মিনিট সময় নিব। একটু আমি 4 কমপ্লিট, এরপরে 4 থেকে তোমরা যেটা করবে যে অ্যাডিশন এবং সাবট্রাকশন তোমাদের কনসেপ্ট ক্লিয়ার রাখবে। কারণ আমাদের কোশ্চেন হবে অ্যাডিশন এবং সাবট্রাকশন, আর কখনো কখনো আমরা কিছু সিম্পলিফিকেশন করব। দ্যাট মিন্স প্লাস এবং মাইনাস দিয়ে মাল্টিপ্লাই করে ক্যালকুলেশন। সো আমরা এখন 5 থেকে একটা কোশ্চেন একটু ডিসকাস করব। সো প্লিজ, আই থিংক দিস ইজ নাও ক্লিয়ার। হ্যাঁ, তোমাদের অনেকেরই কাছে একটু কনফিউশন ছিল যে এইভাবে কোন আনসার হয় কিনা। হ্যাঁ, আমরা এখানে সিম্পলিফিকেশন করব, এজন্য এখানে আনসার। তবে এইটুকু মনে রাখবে যে বি নাম্বারের মধ্যে a এর ভ্যালু যে 4, b এর ভ্যালু যে 2, এই ভ্যালুগুলো এখানে ইউজ করা যাবে না। দিস ভ্যালু অনলি ফর কোশ্চেন বি, নট ফর সি। আমি আবার একটু বলছি, দিস গিভেন ভ্যালু 4 and 2 only for the question B, not for C. That's why this is our answer. Now এখন দেখো 5 থেকে একটা কোশ্চেন আমরা ট্রাই করব ইনশাআল্লাহ। তোমরা সবাই 5 জানো, অলরেডি ইউ হ্যাভ গিভেন एग्जाम। আমি একটি স্পেশাল ক্লাস নিয়েছিলাম। তোমরা যারা শুরুতে একটু কম মার্ক পেয়েছো, পরে আবার যারা পরীক্ষা দিয়েছিলে, ম্যাক্সিমাম স্টুডেন্ট ইউ গট 30 আউট অফ 30। সো তোমরা অনেকেই ভালো করছো, 5 থেকে তোমাদের কনসেপ্ট ক্লিয়ার। এখন আমি তোমাদেরকে শুধু একটা কোশ্চেন ডিসকাস করব, দেখি তোমরা কে কে পারো। if the sum of থেকে একটা কোশ্চেন ডিসকাস করব 5 থেকে। if the sum of chapter 5 if the sum of 3 consecutive, if the sum of 3 consecutive even number is even number, I think is 126. If the sum of 3 consecutive even numbers is 126, find the number. So please, I will give the 2 minutes. Please find the answer this one. My dear students, yes, maximum student I know you can do this math. Already sir have taken. So dear students, the attention, first attention, consecutive number. Second attention, even number. So these two conditions, the third condition, sum. This equal means this is means equal symbol. খুব ভালো করে খেয়াল কর, তিনটা কন্ডিশন, consecutive number, even number. So even number কিভাবে হয় দেখো, even number হচ্ছে 2 4 6, even number হতে পারে 10 12 14, even number হতে পারে 60 14 interval, yes, 60 62 60 62 and 64. This is the even number. ইভেন নাম্বারে সব সময় ডিফারেন্স থাকবে 2, ইভেন নাম্বারে সব সময় ডিফারেন্স 2, দা টু ইভেন নাম্বারসে সব সময় ডিফারেন্স থাকবে 2। দেখো এদের সব সময় ডিফারেন্স হচ্ছে 2, টু ইভেন নাম্বারে মাঝখানে সব সময় ডিফারেন্স থাকবে 2। তাহলে 2 করে করে ডিফারেন্স ইন বিটুইন ইভেন নাম্বার। যে ইভেন নাম্বারে আমরা বলি যদি ইভেন না বলে তাহলে 1 করে করে ডিফারেন্স হবে। তাহলে আমরা কিভাবে, ওকে সেটি তোমাদের একটু আনসারটা দেখি। হ্যাঁ তোমরা কেউ পারবে প্লিজ? 26 40 60 নো। জাকির হোসেন আইডি থেকে একজন বলছো it should be consecutive even number, that means 1 by 1 no, 41 42 43 no. Okay my dear students, okay let first consecutive even number, first consecutive even number, the first consecutive even number is equal x. So second consecutive even number, what will be second consecutive even number? My dear students, in the comment section please write what will be second consecutive even number. Consecutive even number, yes, that is this one will be x plus 2, because the difference in times of even and odd the number increased with 2, only consecutive number the increased with 1, but even and odd times odd number that always difference is 2. So now and third consecutive even number will be x plus 2 plus 2. So according to question their sum x plus 2 plus x plus 2 plus 2 is equal 126. Their sum will be this. So 3 times of x plus 6 is equal to 126. So 3 times of x equal 126 minus 6, or x equal 120 divided by 3 is equals to 40. That is so or x equals to 40. So first number আমাদের 40, second number 42, third number 44. So first consecutive even number, first consecutive even, the first consecutive even number equals to 40. Second consecutive even number is equals to 40 plus 2 equal to 42. I think right side is okay in both diagram, yes. And third consecutive even number is 40 plus 2 plus 2 equal to 46. This is our answer 40, 42 and 44. Yes, absolutely right answer. Thank you so much. Tamik, absolutely right answer baba. Amantanu, thank you. Fatama binte Nur ID থেকে বলছো right answer. Jannatul Firdaus ID থেকে same answer. Gulam Maula right sir, everything clear. Thank you Abu so much. Yes sir, why would you count the x plus 2 as even? আমি একটু আবার একটু বলি। দেখো যখন ইভেন নাম্বার অথবা অড নাম্বার এই দুটো নাম্বার মেনশন করা থাকবে, ইভেন অর অড এই দুটো নাম্বার যখন মেনশন করা থাকবে তখন 2 করে করে বাড়বে। যদি ইভেন এবং অড যদি না থাকে তখন 1 করে করে বাড়বে। যেমন 4 5 6 7 8 9, তার মানে 1 করে করে চেঞ্জ হচ্ছে। কিন্তু ইভেন নাম্বার বললে দেখো 2 4 6 2 করে করে চেঞ্জ হয়। যেমন দেখো 1 3 5 অথবা 9 11 13 So even number and odd number always increased by 2 দুই করে করে যেমন ফার্স্ট নাম্বারের সাথে 2 অ্যাড করো সেকেন্ড নাম্বারের সাথে 2 অ্যাড করো থার্ড নাম্বারের সাথে 2 অ্যাড করো ফোর্থ নাম্বার that means always difference is 2. So I hope this is very clear. Sir, 46 will be, oh yes, 46 will be 44. Thank you so much. This is 44. Yes, তোমরা একটু আমি addition ভুল করছি 44. So answer is, we can write here answer 40, 42 and 46, and this is our answer. Yes, it's 44. Thank you. Farjana Sultana ID থেকে বলছো Sarito one will be 40. Yes, this is 44. আমি কেন বারবার 46 লিখছি? This is 44. Thank you. The answer is 40, 42 and 44. So dear students, তোমাদের আর কারোর কোনো কোশ্চেন আছে কিনা বলো? আজকে আমাদের প্রবলেম সলভ করতেই হবে যেহেতু আমাদের পরীক্ষা। হ্যাঁ, yes sir, you write the 46. Now it's okay. Thank you. তোমাদের আর যদি কারো কোনো কোশ্চেন না থাকে আমরা আজকের ক্লাসটি এখানেই কমপ্লিট করব। আশা করি তোমাদের ভয় এবং ভয়ভীতি দূর হলো। Concept is very clear. My dear students, please in the comments, yes, no more questions, no sir, thank you. Yes, I think answer absolutely, you got your point. I request all of you again, please don't think more about the exams, just practice what we have done. Maximum question almost the same, just this same pattern, just digit will be changed. So no tension about your exam, what's going to be happen, no. Just practice all maths what we have given. Inshallah, you can do well. So, my dear students, and thank you so much. Hopefully, see you again in the next classes. I think next class will be if you complete your exam. So, extremely regular class may be just after it. So, and if we don't see just before it, so I wish all of you happy Eid Mubarak and hope to see you all in the next classes and wish you all the best in the next exam. And Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.